हे माय लव, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो आज मैं शेयर करने वाली हूँ आप लोगों के साथ स्मिटन का ट्रायल हॉल, और उसमें से एक डिओड्रेंट बिल्कुल ज़ीरो ट्रायल पॉइंट में मिला है, तो मुझे फ्री मिला है। जिन्होंने स्मिटन ऐप के बारे में नहीं सुना है, लेट मी टेल यू, इट्स एन ऐप वे यू कैन buy or try any beauty product, skincare product or personal care products in a very low price just using your trial points. So let's get started. तो मैंने तो इसको पहले ही खोल दिया था, तो बट मैंने प्रोडक्ट्स को खोल के नहीं देखा। मैंने सोचा कि आप लोगों के साथ ही शेयर करूँगी। तो लेट्स lot of products. So at first I got this skincare product. It's a face serum for brightening. Let's open it. Okay, see, it actually a clearing serum. It contains 5% niacinamide and 2% alpha arbutin. Together they enhance skin clarity and promote a more even skin tone. Okay, so the next product we got is a foundation from Mila Beauty, and it's a weightless foundation. It suits all skin type. Let's see. Oh my god, it's super cute. Let's test it. It's a long wear weightless foundation enriched with vitamin E and SPF 15, protects and hydrates your skin. So the next product I got that I'm super excited for is the concealer from Caffeine, and it's a full size product. So let's see how much coverage it can give. It is a 2-in-1 serum concealer. It contains hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. This hybrid brightens the eyes, reduces puffiness and hydrates skin. The fourth product that I got is a compact powder from State. And another full-sized product I got. So let's open it and see how's this packaging of. Oh my god, ta-da! Let's open it and see. Okay, we have this mirror with this compact powder. Oh my god. Okay, let's detach. Its microfine weightless texture allows your skin to breathe, while vitamin E ensures naturally radiant skin. Powdered with C-Lock technology. Okay, I'm super satisfied, I'm super satisfied with this product. And the fifth and the last product that we got at zero trial point is this deodorant from Nivea. It's like it gives natural glow and it's very smooth to skin. Oh my god, its perfume is so flowery, and it's best. Yeah, it's best. It contains vitamin C for smooth skin and have 72-hour active protection. Honestly guys, I'm saying at this price I got so many products and I'm really very happy with it. और कुछ तो मुझे full size का भी मिल गया यार. So like it's a steal deal for me. Let me give you a tip guys, कि जब भी आप कोई प्रोडक्ट चूज़ करो, always check the review and then you choose that product, because review matters a lot. So my loves, that's all for today's video. Let me know in the comment section that which product you like the most. And my personal favorite product is that concealer from M Caffeine and the compact powder. It's really very good. Its coverage is really nice. If you want more videos like this and want a part 2 of Symtten haul, then let me know in the comment section. Hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon for notification. Bye.